Welcome back to another episode of Podcast Name. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Rig, an innovative Rust library designed specifically for building scalable and modular applications powered by language models. So if you've ever been curious about how LLMs, or large language models, can be integrated into your software, you're in for a treat. First off, let's set the stage. Rig offers a framework that not only simplifies the integration of various LLM providers like OpenAI and Cohere, but also makes it a breeze to work with different vector stores such as MongoDB and Neo4j. This makes it super easy to mix and match your favorite tools when building applications. Who doesn't love flexibility, right? Now, if you're wondering about the practical side of things, Rig ensures that developers can implement complex language model behaviors with minimal boilerplate code. Just imagine the ability to provide rich responses and engaging interactions without getting bogged down by tedious setup processes. I came across a simple example showcasing how to use Rig to interact with the OpenAI GPT-4 model. Picture this. You're writing an application that needs conversational abilities, and with just a few lines of code, you can set up an OpenAI client, prompt GPT-4, and get a response. Let's break this down a bit. You start by creating your client from the environment variable for the API key, which, by the way, is a pretty common requirement when working with APIs. After that, you can build your desired model, in this case GPT-4, and send it a prompt, say, "Who are you?" Then, voila! You get an engaging response from the model right in your application. It's like having a chat with an AI buddy who's always ready to help. But that's not all. Rig also supports integration with various vector stores. Think of them as the storage backend for managing and retrieving data efficiently. For instance, if you're working with MongoDB, you can pair it seamlessly with Rig, allowing for an ergonomic experience that feels more like building with blocks than wrestling with configuration. And speaking of integrations, there are several companion crates available for different vector stores like LanceDB and Qdrant, expanding your options even further. This ecosystem is all about choice and flexibility. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Rig is continually evolving. The team behind it is pouring in new features and improvements, which means that as developers, we'll need to keep our eyes peeled for updates and changes. Reports indicate that breaking changes may happen down the line, so that's something to consider when you're planning your long-term projects. Before we wrap up, let's reflect on a thought-provoking question. How do you see the future of language models and their integration into everyday applications shaping our digital experiences? It's definitely something to mull over as we navigate the complexities of AI in our daily lives. So, to recap what we've explored today, Rig is a powerful Rust library for building LLM-powered applications with amazing flexibility, minimal setup, and ongoing development. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting to dabble in the world of language models, Rig might just be the tool to help you bring your ideas to life. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you're feeling inspired to explore more about Rig and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep innovating.